All right, here is a video where you're asked to add and subtract these fractions. Okay, I'm looking at the fraction. I'm not seeing a common denominator there. But this one I can factor. Let's do that first. So x plus 6 over x minus 3 minus x plus 5 over x plus 1 minus, oh, that top thing I can factor too. I'll just leave the top one as is. I don't have to worry about that really, because I need to find that common denominator. All right, two brackets, x, two numbers are multiplied, -3 add to -2. I'm thinking -3 and plus 1. Let me confirm that. X squared plus minus 2, or minus 3 is a minus 2, minus 3, yeah, that's it. So let's figure out our lowest common denominator. The first one has an x minus 3, the next one has an x plus 1, and the last one has both of those. So it looks like this is going to be my lowest common denominator. So let's rewrite things. X plus 6 over x minus 3 minus x plus 5 over x plus 1. Notice I'm just giving myself a bit of room there. Over 4x plus 20 over x minus 3, x plus 1. So that's the original question, but since this is my lowest common denominator, every denominator has to be that. So in the first one, I have an x minus 3, but I don't have an x plus 1. So I need to put in an x plus 1 here. If I do that on the bottom, I also have to put it top. The next one has an x plus 1, but no x minus 3. So I'll do that on the bottom and on the top. And the last one, it already has the denominator. So if I now have a common denominator, I'll write one thing over that denominator. Now I have to write all the stuff I have up top. So I have x plus 6 times x plus 1 minus x plus 5 times x minus 3. I should have had brackets around that. Minus 4x plus 20. Okay, now it looks like I need to simplify the top stuff there. So I'll FOIL that first one. X squared plus x plus another 6's plus 7x plus 6 minus, now this is the dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative. I'm going to leave a bracket here and just multiply that out. So it'll be x squared minus 3x plus 5x is plus 2x. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. You see what's going to happen with that? Minus 4x plus 20. All over that lowest common denominator. Okay, let's apply that dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative. Plus 6 minus x squared minus 2x plus 15. Notice I changed each of the signs. Minus 4x plus 20. All over my lowest common denominator. Now, at the top, we gather x squareds. Oh, these two will cancel. Nice. Let's do the x's. 7x minus 2x is 5x minus 4x is 1x. So there's just going to be an x there. So that gets rid of those. And then the numbers are plus 6 plus 15. That's 21 plus 20. Is that right? Plus 20? Oh no, I made a mistake there. Interesting. Right here, when I brought that down, I should have had a bracket there. And so when I apply that negative sign to both things, that should be a negative 20. Dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negatives. Okay, so 6 plus 15 is 21, minus 20 is a plus 1. I sort of saw a 1 coming, and I thought maybe that's it, but I wasn't sure. Over my lowest common denominator. Feeling perfect at that point. However, there's one other thing that you can do. Since I have a common factor of x plus 1 on top and the bottom, I can cancel those. So that would leave me with 1 on the top over x minus 3 on the bottom. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question. That's a long one. I like it. Darn stinking filthy rotten negative. Good.